Hey guys, it's me, Abby G. How are you? I'm good because I would like to know. Today I am going to do a song called Thinking Out Loud. Just give me 1 second. Let me play the music so I can sing it. Can I love please? So I can sing it. Huh? Can I love please? Okay, tell me what you think. Thrown in the vegetable farm, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mom still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? And darling, I will be loving you till 70. And baby, my heart will still last from eternity. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. For me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna call you out. Call me now. Sorry. This summer, right where we are. When my head's overgrown and the memory fades, and the clouds don't remember my name. When my friends don't play the straight to stay with, I know you will still love me the same. And I feel so when you go, oh, it's evergreen. But when you're sometimes in my mind, it's memories. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's a part of a plan. The mirror keep on making mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your heart on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, and maybe we found love right where we are. La, 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 la. And baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Now, and maybe we found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. Thank you. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me how it was. like, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys. Bye.